Welcome to Challenge 5. In Challenge 4, we wrote a program to read and display a single temperature value. In Challenge 5, we will add a for loop to our program to repeatedly read and display temperature values. Also, in an extra to this challenge, we will write commands to convert temperature values from Celsius to Fahrenheit and to display the converted value. Let's insert a page with a program editor and a new program. Type C5 as the program name for Challenge 5 and press Enter. Let's connect temperature sensor number 1 to input port 1 as in our previous program. Press Enter to complete the command. You have the option to type 2 instead of using the Hub Settings menu. Make sure to use all capitals and leave spaces. Let's set up a for loop to repeat the set of commands to read and display temperature values. As a reminder, here is the syntax of a for loop. Press Menu for control, select for, end for. We will use n as the counter variable. We will loop from 1 to 10. Now, let's put in the pair of commands to read and get values from temperature sensor number 1. Press Menu, 8 for Hub, 2 for Read, 6 for Temperature, 1 for temperature sensor number 1. Press Enter to complete the command. Menu, 8 for Hub, 5 for Get. Then enter T as the variable to put the temperature value that was just read into. Press Enter to complete the command. Now, let's add the value of the counter variable with the label sample number equal on row 3. Press Menu, 6 for I/O input output, 2 for dispatch, 3 for the row number, comma as a separator. Press Control Multiply to add quotes. Enter sample number equal. Right arrow to move past the quotes, comma as a separator, and the variable that we will display. Press Enter to complete the command. Now on row 4, let's display the value of the temperature with a label before of temperature equal and the label after of degrees C. Press Menu, 6 for I/O again, 2 for dispatch, 4 for the row number, comma, Control Multiply for the quotes, Shift, right arrow to move past the quote, comma, T for the variable with the temperature value, comma, then Control Multiply for quotes. Then find the degree symbol on the key with the question mark. then Shift-C for Celsius. Press Enter to complete the command. This program, as is, would run, but all the actions would occur very quickly, in 1 or 2 seconds. Let's add a wait command with a 2-second wait to slow things down. Press Menu, 8 for Hub, 4 for Wait, 2 for 2 seconds. Press Enter. Now we are ready to store and run the program. Press Ctrl-R. Then Enter. Try putting your finger on the sensor to change the temperature values. At this point, you are done with Challenge 5. You are ready to move on to the Challenge 5 extension or on to Challenge 6. There is an optional extra part of Challenge 5. In this extra, you will edit the program to display the temperature values in Fahrenheit. Along the way, you will learn how to copy and paste rows and to assign values to variables. If you choose to move on to the next video now, make sure to press Ctrl-S to save your document. As an extra, let's go back and edit the program to display the temperature in Fahrenheit. Ctrl-Left to go back to our program editor. Put the cursor at the beginning of the row displaying the sample number. Press Enter to insert a row above. Press up arrow to move to the beginning of the new row. Now we will write a statement to create a variable f that will be updated with the Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion formula value. We will use f as the variable name. Then we will use the assignment statement :equal, which is located as the control function of the math expressions template key. Assign is used to store values to a variable on the TI-Nspire. Now enter the Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion formula with T representing the Celsius value. To display the Fahrenheit value, let's copy and edit the disp@" command that we used for Celsius values. To select the row to copy, move your cursor to the beginning of the row below the command to copy. Press and hold the Shift key, then up arrow to select the row. Release the Shift key. Then Ctrl-C to copy. Move the cursor back to the beginning of the row below and press Enter to insert a row. Press up arrow to move to the beginning of the new row. Then Ctrl-V to paste. Now we can edit the command by deleting C for Celsius and typing F for the degree label of Fahrenheit. Then deleting T and entering F for the variable. And finally, deleting 4 and typing 5 for the row. Control-R to store and run the program. Press Enter to run the program. After you are done exploring, you will be ready to move on to the Digital Mood Ring Challenge 5 extension video or to the Challenge 6 video. Press Ctrl-S to save your document before moving on.